Good morning, everyone. Today I have to explain about the course reflection of enterprise subject, which is related to the Australian Computer Society and core body of knowledge with representation in the industry practices. In next slide, we have to explain about the ACS core body of knowledge. This is a framework related to the education and the professional practices in the ICT industry. This document is drafted for the ICT professionals and the way how they can improve their knowledge and uh, skills areas. The knowledge about this framework has been taken in a 10th week lecture regarding ethics, principle of ethics, code of professional conduct, and disciplining aspects of the associated members. The purpose of this presentation is to discuss this learning outcome and respective achievement from this learning outcome. Next slide, we have to explain about the ethical framework. I learned about the basic ethical framework that is composed on four key elements. First is a privacy. This is related to the information safeguard, public availability of the content, information sharing without acknowledgement, focus on e-privacy of 2002, and also focus on the Privacy Act of 1974. Second one is the accuracy of collected and stored data, which is related to the protection of the negligent errors and also protection, prevent intentional data manipulation, ensure accuracy of stored data, investigate the disputed information, as well as inform customer about the negative information. And to be continued, third one is a property rights. Importance to acknowledge that companies that they are not ultimate owners of collected data, rights of customer on their personal information, as well as the information safeguard can be hard if ERP implemented without appropriate control. Fourth one is accessibility. In this, ERP implementation team should ensure all stored information is accessible to the unauthenticated people, as well as prevention of unauthorized cross by implementing adequate security and controls. Big concerns are spoofing, hacking, and the fraud frauds assess. And next slide, we have to explain about the codes of ethic for ERP. During 10th week, I learned about three main theories. One is a stakeholder theory, second one is a stockholder theory, and third one is a social contract theory. Stockholder theory is related to the protection of investor interest at all cost, and the stakeholder theory is related to the interest of everyone is protected, for example employees, vendors, owners, partners, as well as the customer. And the social contract theory is related to the inclusion of right of society, consider social well-being, and also as well as the interest of the company owner or a stakeholder. And next slide, we have to explain about the knowledge areas. I learned about the two major knowledge areas. One is the ICT professional knowledge, and second one is the ICT problem solving. In ICT professional knowledge, during the lecture 10, I learned about the importance of the interpersonal communication, understanding of ICT profession, as well as the ethics and professional expectation. And the second one is the ICT problem solving. I learned about the modeling processes and methods, problem understanding, abstraction handling, and design solution are also learned during this week, as well as the innovation and creativity is the major need of the ICT professional. Next slide, uh, we have to discuss about the future use of the learning outcome. I will use my learnings as a IT ICT professional. Like I want to build my future in a ICT as a ICT professional, and also during and after ERP implementation. I will value the privacy and security of the customer's data. Also, I will consider the ACS core body of knowledge in almost every decision making process of the company. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.